All right, another problem. I think we're on the reactions of benzene. So arene or arene groups or the arene or those containing the benzene ring. So show the major products from reaction. So again, I will paraphrase this one if ever I'll be making the question during our quizzes. So that would be show the probable. Okay, there are details of this, so we will not be going into the details. We will just uh, uh, we will only know the probability, okay? The possibility of having these products. So first, we can recognize that this is a benzene ring, and this guy, as we've said, a somewhat not red. So I think this is bromine. They usually use um a and but anyway, if I'll be making the question, I'll be emphasizing what atom would this be, but I think this is really bromine from the color, because usually they use red for the oxygen, and as you can see, if this is oxygen, so basically it must have an OH or it must have a double bond. So you can also actually analyze. So this one is a methyl, okay? So this one is actually a uh, bromo, what do you call this? Um, bromotoluene. Okay, toluene. Because your toluene is your benzene ring with a CH3. So bromotoluene, and then you would be reacting with a CH3CH2Cl. So that is a chloroethane. Okay? That is a chloroethane. So actually, if you look at your cheat sheet, as I was looking at your cheat sheet, what would really fit for this is this Friedel-Crafts alkylation. That word alkylation. The example here is CH3Cl. That would be a chloromethane, sorry, a chloromethane. But as you can see, you can use it for any other alkyl. Even it is emphasized here that alkyl halide. So this is an alkyl halide. It must be a primary alkyl halide, meaning primary, those carbon of those type of alkyl halide which which has the most hydrogen, okay, not the secondary or the tertiary type of an alkyl halide. Okay, so meaning if I'm going to use that letter G, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, letter G, so that would be a the answer would be you would be attaching this CH3CH2, of course. So that is your alkyl. So that's a primary alkyl. So that would be your answer for letter A should be a benzene ring. Benzene ring, you have that bromo, oh, and then you have that metal group CH3, and the possible would be you may attach here the CH3, CH2, CH3, of course. CH2 would be first, because it will be replaced, your chlorine would be replaced, of course, from the mechanism, and we would just avoid the mechanism of that. We just know that, of course, CH2 from the valence electron rules and simpler rules for non-chemists, allied sciences, CH2CH3 would attach to that part, or you may have another product, or another possible product, of course, is let's put again the bromo and the CH3, and then you will be attaching the CH2CH3 here. So I think there are only three, because if you so there would be one, two, three, four types of products, because attaching your CH3, CH2, your ethyl on the other side is not the same as this, because your bromine and CH3, actually there's an explanation for this, where would really CH2, CH3, I think one of them is really not possible. But again, since we don't have an ample time, I mean details for this, so we would assume that the possible products would look like this CH3 CH2, this one and this one, and another product Another probable products would be, so you have at least 4 answers that I will consider perfect for our discussion. I mean for an allied science subject. So you could have your CH2, CH3. So this is not the same as what we're answering, because putting your CH2, CH3 here and here is not really the same. So this guy here, of course, if your parent is a benzene and a methyl, that is a toluene. So that would be a bromo and ethyl. So bromo would be first from the 1. So that would be number 2. So the name of this would be a 2 bromo, and then 2 bromo, 2 bromo, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. 2 bromo, comma 6, 2 dash bromo dash 6, ethyl. So that is an ethyl, and then you name the toluene. So that's the name of this one. How about this first guy over here? That would be a 2 bromo, sorry, a 2 dash bromo, and then dash 3 ethyl. Okay, 3 ethyl toluene. This guy over here is 2, 3, 4, 5, a 5. So that is a 2 bromo 5, 2 bromo, and then 5 ethyl toluene. Okay, so they have really different names. So they're really different compounds. But again, some of them might not really be possible, but we have to know the details. And we don't have an extra time for the details. And I would not be making you a chemist for this. We're far from being chemist actually. Okay, so that's the first one. How about the second one? Actually, for the first one, you have reactions with number 1 and number 2. You have a nitric acid and of course sulfuric acid. If you will look at your cheat sheet, looking back at your cheat sheet, that is HNO3. You'll have to look for it, the HNO3 reactant. HNO3 reactant, HNO3. Reduction of aromatic group. Yes, this one. Nitration. So that is a nitration. You by reacting it with a nitric acid, you'll have a nitro type. So again, the same answer with this one, but of course, you'll be attaching nitro here. This side, nitro and O2. Nitro here and O2. So there are also 4 possible answers for letter A number 2. So the name would be, of course, 2-bromo 3-nitrotoluene. Okay? And then another one, nitrotoluene. And another one would be this. What was the name of this? 2-bromo 3. 4. 2-bromo 4 nitrotoluene. Okay, this one would be a 2-bromo 6 nitrotoluene, and this one, of course, is a 2-bromo 5 nitrotoluene for number 2. So we have 2 questions for letter A. So I think that it's already long, so may I cut the video for the next example.